In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Temu Affiliate Program UK 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your account set up, submit a solid application, and find the tools you need to start promoting once you're approved. First, head to the official Temu UK Affiliate Program page. Open it in your browser and begin the sign-up process. You can create a new account with your email or link an existing account if you already use Temu. Make sure your basic profile details are accurate and up to date. If you operate as a creator or publisher in the UK, ensure your location settings reflect that, since availability and eligibility can depend on region. Next, complete your contact information and provide details about where you'll promote Temu. This is where you add your website URL, your social media handles, or both. Choose the platforms that represent your strongest presence and identify your primary social account. Temu evaluates applications based on factors like follower count and, importantly, engagement. That means likes, comments, clicks, and watch time can matter as much as raw numbers. Be truthful and specific. Include a short description of your niche, your audience, and any notable metrics you can share. Make sure the profiles you submit are public, active, and show recent content that aligns with your usual topic or style. When your form looks complete, submit your application and give Temu time to review it. Approvals can take a few days. During this period, keep an eye on your inbox, including your spam or promotions folder, in case they request additional information. If you're curious about progress, you can log back into your account to check your status. While you wait, it's a good moment to tidy your profiles, pin relevant posts, and prepare a simple content plan so you can move quickly when approved. Once you receive approval, go to your affiliate dashboard. Here you'll find your unique affiliate link and referral code, as well as promotional materials and tracking tools. Copy your link and test it in a private browser tab to confirm it redirects correctly. Review any program guidelines, commission details, and disclosure requirements so your promotions stay compliant. Explore the Creatives library for banners or product images and use the tracking features to monitor clicks and conversions. Organizing your links and labeling campaigns clearly will make reporting and optimization easier over time. That's it. Visit the official page, submit a clear, honest application, wait for approval, and then use your dashboard to grab your link and start promoting with confidence.